Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today is July the 22nd and our daily devotion is called Make Me Gracious. Judge not and you will not be judged. Condemn not and you will not be condemned. Forgive and you will be forgiven. Luke 6:37. Have you ever made a mistake? Of course you have. Everyone has. Maybe after making a choice, you quickly learned it was the wrong one. Or perhaps you spoke without thinking and you wish you hadn't said what you said. Did these choices make you a bad person? Of course not. They made you human, in need of compassion, forgiveness, and grace. When someone does us wrong, God gives us the ability to quickly trade places with them in our hearts. How we would want them to respond to us, He invites us to respond to them. God, only you are perfect. Yet I find myself holding others up to your standards. Help me be gracious, that grace would be given back to me. The nighttime devotion. Is there a habit you are proud of overcoming? How did you do it? Courageous, willful attention is vital when you want to change our behaviors. We may think we have no control over our thoughts, but we do. Just as we can stop reaching for the phone the second we are bored, or the bag of chips each time we are frustrated, so too can we ditch our critical spirits. Give up judgment, embrace forgiveness, adopt a habit of grace. The question of the day: how comfortable are you acknowledging and laying down your negative habits before God? I try hard not to be judgmental. I come to realize that by not forgiving people for what they've done, the only person that hurts is me. Doesn't hurt them, but it makes me miserable. They go on with their life and 90% of the time, they don't even realize that you're mad at them or angry with them or whatever. They go on with their life. And then I'm the one sitting here being miserable because I won't forgive. So I've learned from my past that forgiveness helps me. So, what I want you to do today is, if there's anyone out there that you haven't forgiven for something they've done, please think about how miserable it makes you, because it doesn't bother them. They go on with their life. I want to thank you all for watching. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my videos. I would deeply appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.